Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix build your store AI domain not verified on Shopify. So if you're seeing the domain not verified error when using Shopify's build your store AI, follow these steps to resolve it. Check your domain verification. Navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to settings, navigate to domains from this list, and if your domain is pending verification, check your email for verification link from Shopify or your domain provider. Click the link to confirm ownership, and that could solve your problem. Step 2 is manually verifying your domain DNS settings. If the email verification isn't working, you can verify manually. Log into your domain provider's account like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or whatever it is, then find the DNS settings. Now look for the TXT record provided by Shopify and add it if missing. Save changes and wait up to 24 hours for verification. Now, step 3 to solve this problem is ensuring your domain is properly connected. Navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to settings, navigate to domains again, and if your domain is listed under third-party domains, click connect existing domain button available just right here and follow the prompts, enter your domain, click on next, and after connecting your existing domain, it could instantly solve your problem. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is disabling and re-enabling build your store AI. Navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to settings, navigate to apps and sales channels, and remove the build your AI store tool by clicking three-dotted icon after that, clicking on uninstall, choosing uninstall again. Then, after doing this, navigate to Shopify App Store, then search for build your store. Now install build your store again, and that could instantly fix your problem. Now if your domain remains unverified after 24 hours, reach out to Shopify support for assistance and they will instantly solve your problem. So by following these steps, you can instantly solve your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.